Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be going over command aliases. I feel like command aliases are the bread and butter for a decent CAD drafter. Um, they increase your efficiency and help you be a lot faster at your job. You can access the command aliases one of two ways. You can go through your C drive, but in my opinion, that takes a lot longer because the file path is so extensive, then I can never remember where it's put. So the other way is through your CAD program. You you open up your file. It doesn't matter if you're working on a project or you open up a brand new one, you can access it either way. You go into your Manage tab up at the top here. Click on your Edit Aliases and Edit Aliases right here. We'll open up this notepad. Get in the habit of creating an original. So do like a file, save as, and I usually just save it onto my desktop as original. I'll open up a new one. So if you come down here, you'll see all of the standard CAD commands that are pre-programmed. All the way down here at the bottom, there's a section for user-defined command aliases. So I like to kind of section it off by where it's located on the keyboard. So I have my numbers, my number bar up here, my QWERTY tab, my ASD tab, and then my Z tab here. And then I have a couple additional ones down here at the bottom. If you notice, they're all located on the left side of my keyboard. It makes it easier for me to type in my commands while I'm drafting, because one hand's always on your mouse. So that's usually the philosophy that I take. It's worked for me. But whatever works for you guys, find what's best and then stick to it. So the way I do it is when I change a command, I would always come up here and find it in the standard command list and delete it. So that way there's no issue when you're trying to type your commands. If there's another command associated with the letter or number that you're using, the command won't function. So once you're done with your commands here, make sure you come up here, hit File, Save, and then in order for the command to be usable, you need to close out of your all of your CAD drawings that you're currently working on. Make sure you save them before you do, and then reopen up your CAD program. Just open up a new file here, and then I'll type in my P-line command. So I have my number 2. See how it pops up, P-line right here, and then hit enter, and then now you can create your P-line. So that was basically a crash course in your command aliases. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll have more videos coming up shortly. Thank you very much.